What's up, everybody? It's the Pimp. I'm out here riding in Daisy, and this is strange because she pushing. She ain't no punk, but she sound congested. I gotta get a new muffler because I got a hole in my muffler. Somehow I don't know how that happened, but I got a hole in my muffler, so I'm gonna work that out. But she just sounds congested. I can't work it out. Another thing I gotta get the heat fixed. I'm still working on the seats. I got them mocked up. They in there, but I gotta get new carpet. I didn't like how the carpet looked, so she's been sitting for a while in storage because I've been waiting on carpet. But I done got other vehicles ever since then, so she kind of been sitting on the back burner. But now I'm back to where I need to be, and I know what I want to do. You know. I know I gotta get new carpet. It looks, it looks good, but it was thin. It was cheaply done. I'm gonna go ahead and lay down some sound deadener. There's a lot of sound in here. I don't know if y'all can hear that, but there's a lot of sound in here. It still looks good. The seats look good in the back there. I gotta catch this 169. I'm sorry, I gotta cut you off. Sorry about that. I still gotta work on my tail lights. I don't know what's going on with my tail lights. They come on, but they still don't light up. I done changed everything. I don't know. They used to work, but now they don't work. I'm gonna figure all that stuff out, but right now I'm just gonna make sure she out here running. Make sure it's worth fixing. You know what I mean? Make sure it's worth fixing. Because if it ain't running, it ain't worth fixing. They don't put no money into a car that's just gonna sit there and be a yard ornament. But I love Daisy. Daisy's running her ass off right now. You know, she's doing her job, what I asked her to do. She looks good. She had an accident. She didn't pay for herself, so she's pretty much a free truck. So, let's get it. Oh, for a lot of y'all didn't know, yeah. Toot Up Pimp wears glasses. I'm an OG. You know what I'm saying? OG gotta do OG things sometimes. You're gonna see the little gray pop up on me. Then you're gonna see me get this nickel slick, you know what I'm saying, with my whatever I'm gonna put on my face, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, Toot Up Pimp. This Toot Up Pimp TV. Be right back. I'd like to welcome y'all back to the channel. I'm out here working on Daisy, trying to get her right. She pretty much got new everything out there. They gotta get it clean. I done put new everything into this thing. I'm trying to get it when she's breathing right. And I'm gonna get it cleaned up. This is a new one, but I gotta get all that taken care of. I wanna get that other hood put on. It's actually right now that's on Miley. Get it cleaned up on there, get some nice little decals or what have you. Yeah. Yeah, that was wet. See that wet? That shouldn't be wet. That means it ain't fired. That might be one of the ones. So keep track of where you got it at. That's wet. So that might be one of your problems. You might have had a bad wire right there too. Or yeah, put it in. Change all them shits. So that's gonna help it? Yep, until they wet that one up. Yeah, I'm out here with Lorenzo. He another two-door lover. You know what I'm saying? He ain't named it yet. I think he named it. I just forgot the name, but he out here wrenching on it. You know what I'm saying? You named your two-door.
First time.
You named your two-door. You named the two-door yet?
Smoke.
Woo, I hope it ain't a head gasket.
Oh.
So you know, this is his first time out here putting his own spark plugs in. We had a hell of a time trying to get them little plastic clips off. If any of y'all know how to get them how to pop them little plastic clips so we can still reuse them, please tell them. Let me show you what I'm talking about. That little plastic clip right there. How the hell you open those up without busting? We got one right there. We trying to open up to get the spark plugs off.
Wires.
new wires. So we're gonna he's gonna do the spark plugs now and do the wire later. We don't want to. We want to keep it original. You know, he got to. You know, all he gotta do is get the original sheet metal that everybody else need. But this mug run like a bat out of hell. Yeah, smoke. He branded. He got the Incognito brand. He got the Incognito brand. You know how when you fly by the police and the police see it. But he'll pimp though. He'll two-door pimp. He love his hoe. Yep. He love food too, so he got food all in there. But see, y'all can do it too. Just like he out here doing, he gotta get it washed up under here. You know what I'm saying? Got donut stains and shit.
Oh yeah.
I'm getting it though. Like I said, like I told him before, even if you only get number 1 or 2 of them done, you got 2 today, 2 the next day, and 2 before. You know what I'm saying? That's what it's about. That's 3. 2 at a time. You only got 8. You got 4. These 4 days you'll have it done. 2 sets of 4. It's 8. It's an 8-cylinder. Your back one's gonna be the hard one for you to get to. She definitely need to be cleaned up. Bad part about it, she don't have no heat. These are pretty much in here mocked up. It's just mocked up. Got my junk all in here. I still gotta get the carpet and stuff like that put in. Like I said, this is still mocked up. Just want to see how it goes. Then I'm gonna go ahead and shoot them in. I don't think I'm gonna go back with this. I think I'm gonna take that out so that people can get in. If anybody ride, they can go around that way. I'll probably make me a little small one over like a handrail where they can grab on and go, and make me something small right there. I'll put storage somewhere else, but I'm gonna come up with some fly, you know what I'm saying? But it ain't gotta reach well, because this person who sit right here really don't gotta have nothing to put their arm on. They just need to ride. It's sitting right now because I don't have it tied in. I just got her in, you know what I'm saying? Got all those in. That one's tied in, but these are not. Hey, I'm gonna order the black seat belts. These already have seat belts, so those seat belts are gonna come out the back. I'm gonna retract those down. Oh, yeah, it's gonna be black, all black, and it's gonna be beautiful. And I know other people are doing it, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Get all our seals and stuff done. This actually came off a different truck. This is a different color, so I still got the other one. I'm gonna end up putting that one back on. This white is a little different, but I'm gonna throw it back on there. Spray these rims down, clean them up a little bit so they look good. You know what I'm saying? Gots to look good. Gots to look good. Daisy is a beautiful truck. Daisy is a beautiful truck. What y'all think, pimps? Pimps, if you're on a 2-door, you see another one, put your fingers up. Put your fingers up. That's what pimps holler at other pimps. Everybody got a hoe out here. See that hoe right there? That's my hoe, that's his hoe. My hoe, his hoe. Any, many, mighty hoe. Which one is your hoe? Post up. Let me know. Let's see what y'all page is at. Put it down in the comments. Let me know where y'all at. Put a link to y'all page so we can come back and see y'all. Matter of fact, just comment. We'll come check you out just by you commenting. You know what I'm saying? It'll come off. It's them 2-door blues, boy. When them 2-door blues get you, boy. They say when I'm
oh shit.
You got it off? You got it off? Yeah, it'll come out.
I need some plastic so I can just pull it out of it.
Some plastic? Let me see what I can go get some kind of wire.
I ain't gonna put no metal on it.
What, on the what?
Spark plug.
You ain't gotta worry about it. It ain't gonna spark you.
You sure?
I'm very sure. It ain't lit. It ain't lit like that. It's only when the truck running.
Oh,
see, there you go. There you go. What was that? He only gonna do half of it because he said it's too hard for him. So, a couple of more twists. Couple of more twists.
Boy. Oh my goodness.
He named his hoe Smoke.
Smoke pissing me off.
That's what it's about, 2-door lovers right there. got to be a two-door lover or a two-door pimp. Two-door pimp is the one who got more than two doors, but or you even had your two-door for more than 10 years, so you understand how to run these hoes. He a newbie, but he'll learn how to get her right.
This motherfucker real bad.
Yeah, let me take a look at that.
Real.
Yeah, you gonna ride better.
That motherfucker real.
You gonna ride a whole lot better.
That motherfucker real. I'm gonna do one more. Maybe two more.
Yeah, that mother real bad.
Yeah, he real bad. And that could be the misfire too.
That could be the misfire.
Because
Right
that
there.
is the one in the far back, so it could be 8. Or what was it?
8 is in the front, but that's right there. That's right there. It's super. It's wet and it's. So you're going good.
So it's getting wetter in the back.
It just. I mean, that's where your gas going. It's getting wetter in the back, yo. So you get there. You finna burn. You probably burn rubber in a minute. Told y'all, two-door pimp TV. You never know what you find around here, boy. All we do is TV, two-door talk, or Hummer talk. You know, I'm gonna talk a little Hummer talk because I got a Hummer all the time. But I love my two doors. Smoke clean. Smoke just need a little bit of work, and she good. I want y'all to send me in copies of y'all two doors so I can put together a compilation of two doors. You know what I mean? So. Let me showcase some of your stuff for you. You know what I mean? If you love your two-door, let me showcase for you. Thing is, you can't put no music to it. Let me orchestrate the music. Let me be the producer of the music. You can't send it to me with the music, cause I guarantee you that they're not gonna fly because I ain't gonna let them demonetize my channel for y'all playing some Usher or some Chris Brown or something like that. Nah, let me put the music behind it. But let me showcase your truck. Right here on two-door pimp TV. Let me showcase you. I got you. That's one of 3 right there. That's one of 3. That's one of my 3 hoes I got coming out my stable right there. Y'all gonna meet them all. Yep, y'all gonna meet them all. Two-door lovers. Yo, two-door lovers. Yep. Two-door pimp TV. I'm out. Huh? Nice. It's clean. You good for right now? You just got some toilet paper. Oh yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh. This for me?
Yeah, hell yeah.
I
got it for free at work and shit.
What?
Yeah, and I was like, I knew that you fuck with it and shit.
Y'all see that? Shit, that motherfucker old bottle too, but you can see it's got dirt all over. See, that's what happens when you don't fit into the engine bay. You gotta lay on the side. Yeah, that one bad.
He gonky.
Ooh, look at all that gunk. I didn't even see all that fucking gunk on that boy.
Yeah.
You might need some toilet paper to stick in there to wipe some of that off.